Now, let's look at the ACSS in more detail to get a better sense of the mechanism behind clearing and settlement of retail payments. How exactly are payments cleared via the ACSS? Under its mandate to establish and operate national clearings and settlement systems, the CPA developed and now manages the ACSS on behalf of its members. The ACSS provides a tool with which a CPA member can create deliveries for payment items that have been exchanged, track all deliveries and receipts, automatically produce a total dollar value and item count for all exchanges, and on demand, produce the resultant balances due to and from each participant. The ACSS clears a high volume of low-value payments. Its primary function is to determine and reconcile the net positions between participants at the end of every business day. Considering the large number of CPA members and the number of payments they exchange each day, if every member exchanged items directly with every other member, there would be a seemingly endless number of clearing exchanges to calculate. It would be confusing, inefficient, and risky. That's why the ACSS operates on a tiered clearing structure, meaning that they are direct and indirect participants. Only CPA members who choose to become direct participants and meet the qualifications are able to make payment entries into the ACSS. These direct participants are known as direct clearers and group clearers. Direct clearers exchange and clear their own payment items. They also exchange and clear payment items on behalf of CPA members that are not direct clearers. These members are known as indirect clearers. Group clearers exchange and clear their own items, as well as items for the members of that group, centrals and local credit unions or caisse populaire. All direct clearers, group clearers, and indirect clearers must follow CPA rules. Each indirect clearer establishes a clearing agency relationship with a direct clearer, or with a group clearer, if it is a member of a group. While there are differences between group clearers and direct clearers, for ACSS system use purposes, they essentially operate the same way. So, moving forward, we'll refer to them collectively as direct clearers. At the top of the tiered structure is the Bank of Canada, where settlement occurs. Each direct clearer is required by law to hold a settlement account at the Bank of Canada. The Bank of Canada acts as a central counterparty in the clearing scheme. Basically, it receives settlement payments from direct clearers who owe funds to other participants as a net result of clearing and distributes the settlement funds to the participants that are owed these funds. The ACSS itself is a system of over 100 PC workstations located at member sites across the country, which are linked to a CPA host mainframe. Each PC workstation is used to send and receive ACSS information to the mainframe, where it is held and consolidated to provide an information base for the inquiries received from participants during the settlement day. The system is known as a debit entry system, meaning that ACSS entries are made by the direct clearer that is owed money against the direct clearer by whom it is owed. The ACSS does not see or physically touch any individual payments exchanged by FIs. After payment items are exchanged, volumes and value data of batched payments are manually entered into the ACSS for each particular payment stream or payment category within the ACSS. These are aggregate totals, with a single ACSS entry representing numerous payment items. Multiple entries are made against each direct clearer corresponding to the different payment streams. For example, entries can be made for checks, point of sale, automated funds transfers such as pre-authorized debit or direct deposit. In this respect, the ACSS is a computer system used to track the volume and value of payment items exchanged between CPA direct clearers or group clearers and to determine the balances due to and from each direct clearer both on a bilateral and multilateral basis.